Hi, welcome to July's Take and Makes. This month we're making bottle cap flowers. So first you'll need a kit. The kit includes your bottle caps, a mason jar lid, and a wooden dowel. You'll also need glue, strong glue, so I suggest hot glue or super glue. Be careful working with either. You also need a pair of pliers. So the first thing you're going to do is glue one of your bottle caps in the middle of your canning lid. Be very careful with if you're using hot glue, it will get very hot. And then we're going to set that to the side and let that dry and cool down. Next, you're going to take the rest of your bottle caps and you're going to bend them in half. You can try to do it this way if you'd like, but I like the look of just with these pliers specifically as their needle nose, just applying some pressure and bending them in half just like that. And that make sure you have an even number so you can have two pairs, as these will be your petals. And then we're going to glue them in pairs together onto. You're gonna put them side by side and glue them like flower petals onto the mason jar lid. So I'm gonna just put a bit of glue here. Carefully, I'm gonna line them up and apply some pressure. Hold them on there. Okay, and then I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, now that you have glued all of your petals onto your mason jar lid, I'm going to clean off some of these glue strings. You can paint it if you'd like, or if you have your own bottle caps at home, you can always substitute one of ours for those, especially like the middle piece. And then once you've got all this glued and it's stuck on there, we're just going to glue this to the back of the flower, this wooden dowel. I'm going to get lots of glue on there, make sure it sticks. All right, make sure that's in there. Okay, so we've got that. We've got our bottle cap flowers all done. So we would love to see what you come up with if you'd like to post a picture in the comments. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'd love to see what you create. Thank you so much. Have a good day.